Buying a new scooter or a motorcycle is an experience in itself. And once you've more or less decided what you want, it's time to take a closer look. To check out your dream bike up close and personal and make your decision final. But watching a video of the bike of your choice may be one thing, and looking at it from different angles, quite another. For all practical purposes, in a video, you may not be able to look at it from the angle you really want to.
It's still time to have your mask on every time you want to step out. And social distancing and hand sanitizers are the biggest allies to keep yourself safe in these days of COVID-19. But if you're still wary of heading out to a crowded place like me, and you do want to check out your favorite motorcycle or scooter, do some window shopping, Hero MotoCorp has got the perfect solution for you. A virtual showroom, yes. Now on the Hero Virtual Showroom website, you can take a look at your favorite scooter or motorcycle from any angle that you want to, in any color, and close-ups and details of your favorite scooter or motorcycle.
That's precisely what Hero MotoCorp's virtual showroom intends to do. The first of its kind, immersive augmented reality showroom provides a 360-degree virtual shopping experience to customers. And both the showroom space as well as the product can be seen in 3D, quite like a virtual walkthrough of a real two-wheeler showroom. You can then have a realistic 3D experience of the chosen product features, going deep into what each feature provides.
Currently, 9 Hero motorcycles and scooters are available on the virtual showroom and online configurator. All very high-tech and made for those digitally savvy customers. You can browse through Hero's products and even book them while being socially distant and without making a trip to the dealership.
The augmented reality or AR goes even further and allows the customer to visualize the vehicle in any environment of their choice. You can pick the two-wheeler of your choice and place a 3D AR image of it in your own parking lot or anywhere you want to. And you can zoom in, tilt up, and even go close to see the details.
In these days of social distancing, it's very cool to be able to almost virtually touch and feel your favorite motorcycle or scooter. You can choose the color, you can accessorize it, and you can even check out the prices of your scooter or motorcycle at the location of your choice.
The price of the vehicle is dynamically updated depending on the variant and location chosen. You can also check out how your bike will look in different colors as well as check it out from different angles. Once you've decided on your purchase, you can request for a call back or even book a Hero two-wheeler from anywhere without making a single trip to the dealership.